Are you experiencing butterflies in your stomach? Can't stop thinking about that special someone? You're not alone. In this video, we'll take a closer look at the 5 stages of having a crush. From the initial attraction to the heartache of rejection, we'll explore the roller coaster ride of emotions that come with having a crush. So, buckle up and let's dive in. 1. The initial attraction. This is the stage where you first notice someone and feel drawn to them. It could be their looks, their personality, or the way they make you feel. This is the stage where you might find yourself daydreaming about them or constantly checking their social media profiles. 2. The infatuation stage. As you get to know the person better, your crush may turn into infatuation. You might find yourself constantly thinking about them, imagining a future together, and even obsessing over their every move. This stage can be both exciting and overwhelming. 3. The confession stage. Once you've reached the infatuation stage, you may feel compelled to confess your feelings to the person. This can be a nerve-wracking step, but it's also a way to see if your crush reciprocates your feelings. 4. The rejection stage. Unfortunately, not every crush ends in happily ever after. Sometimes, the person you have feelings for doesn't feel the same way. This can be a tough stage to go through, but it's important to remember that rejection is not a reflection of your worth as a person. 5. The moving on stage. Eventually, you'll reach a stage where you're able to move on from your crush. This doesn't mean you'll forget about them, but you'll be able to think about them without feeling heartbroken. This stage can take time, but it's important to allow yourself to grieve and process your feelings before moving forward. So, there you have it. The 5 stages of having a crush can be a roller coaster of emotions, but it's all part of the experience. Remember, rejection is not a reflection of your worth, and there is someone out there for everyone. Keep your head up, and don't be afraid to fall in love again.